You know, we like to plant ourselves in food.
Our favorite thing.
Yes, and recently you got some tips on how to prep for the holidays without too much stress.
Yes, so Rosh Hashanah is almost here, and our friends at Feast and Fettle, they stopped by to help us with the menu. Rosh Hashanah is right around the corner. The Jewish New Year offers time to reflect and celebrate the previous year. And like many other holidays, the center of it is food. Yeah. So Alon Rivel from the local delivery service Feast and Fettle is here to share a little bit more about a fun collaboration that'll help you mark the holiday and celebrate. So let's get right into well, first of all, for people that don't know, what exactly is Feast and Fettle?
Feast and Fettle is at its core a meal delivery service, but we think of ourselves as giving you time back, especially around the holidays. No one wants to be cooking all day.
No.
You want to be like with your family, with your friends, and that's really what we solve for. If you have 10 minutes back, 30 minutes back, what are you doing?
More time to eat and hang with the family.
Yeah, you're on the floor with your kids and you're eating good food. You're not slaving away in the kitchen.
Exactly. I love that. So you guys are providing a service that most will find very reliable. But also, when it comes to the celebration of Rosh Hashanah, why is food such a central part of it?
It's about community. Food makes you feel seen. It makes you feel safe, and that's really what we're giving back. So when you look at the food that we picked specifically for this, as a Jewish person, I really wanted it to feel right.
Yeah.
I needed it to feel like, oh, that's my grandma's. And if it's not, I'm not putting it on the menu. I want to like bring my culture, my tradition to all of our members, and that's really important. So we try to do that and put a little spin on it to make it feel just a little extra.
And I can tell it already, and I love there's a local collaboration with Mamala. Explain to me how that came together with this matzo ball soup.
Okay, so when I was living in Cambridge, when I was a little young guy, and Mamala's came to be, I was like, oh my God, I have to go there. And I had their matzo ball soup, and I was like, this is it. Like, this is amazing. And we were thinking about adding food to our menu for this menu. I said, what if we take their matzo balls, which is a star for them, and our broth,
oh my gosh, just
collaborate it, bring it together. Look at that.
I'm going to try this one. They made me specifically a warm right here.
Yeah, I'm going to take a bite of this one too.
Oh my gosh. This is, okay, I got to eat this later off camera because that is delicious.
Yeah, it's so good, right?
Dramatic.
I mean, it is so good. Like, I'm serious, when I first had it, I was like, oh, that's it. And I called them and I was like, how do we do this?
That broth is phenomenal.
Yeah, how do we make it happen?
Talk me through some of the other things that you have on the table as well and the significance.
Sure. So Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah, is all about a sweet new beginning and getting ahead of a sweet new year. So we have over here our pomegranate glazed salmon. Such a good one. Yeah. It's sweet. It's delicious. It sets you up right for the new year. Yeah. And then we have some fun ones over here. We have like the cacio e pepe kugel, which is our spin on a classic. So we have the sweet kugel over here, which is a classic.
I love that, yeah.
Kugel, for anyone who doesn't know, is a casserole of noodles with cheese, and it's just so good.
Very warm.
Yeah, of course it's warm. Am I going to give you cold food?
Thank you.
And then we have red wine brisket, which I mean, it's a classic. Like, this is something any Jewish mom or dad is gonna have on the table. And then of course this is a fun collab too.
Babka.
It's an apple babka from Nevad. They do it specially for us. It's so good.
And it's perfect for fall.
It's a good way to little bite.
Let's get a bite in here.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right, by the way, there's still time to place an order through Thursday the 18th, but what are some other ways people should be elevating their menu for the holidays?
I mean, there's so many ways to elevate a menu. Add wine.
Very important.
For sure, but I would absolutely say you need to get the full 360 to experience it all, because you have your main, your starters, and your dessert, and that's it.
And again, I love the slogan, giving people back their time so they could be with family.
Yeah, moments that matter.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
And by the way, you can order Feast and Fettle and the Mamala collaboration menu through Thursday, September 18th, and all you have to do is go to feastandfettle.com to learn more about everything you need to know. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.